The Men on Mission program is set to expand its initiatives across Guyana with a $700 million budget allocation for 2025. Of this, $395 million will be dedicated to constructing 52 houses for vulnerable individuals nationwide. The funding is part of the $12.1 billion budget approved for the Office of the President by the Committee of Supply on Monday. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Governance Gil Teixeira, while defending the budget allocation, highlighted the MOM's role in promoting gender equality, combating domestic violence, and fostering healthier community relationships.
Men on Mission is a rather interesting innovation in that it is for the first time trying to get men to be actively engaged as change agents, both in terms of community involvement and family involvement. As you're very aware in Guyana, that 29% of our homes are headed by single-headed women alone, and therefore one of its focuses is to encourage men working with their families and being responsible for their families. One of the big change agent issues is to do with responsible fatherhood, responsible husbandhood, responsible partnership.
The minister further emphasized the program's positive influence on society.
It's other areas to do with gender-based violence and being opposed to gender-based violence. Also in terms of mentorship programs working with young boys and men, including prisoners, in terms of positive behaviors and reducing violence. So it is a rather innovative thing. It's much broader in some ways than the Gender Affairs Bureau at the Ministry of Women's Services. It involves over 1,000 men for each region in some cases. And so it is a way of mobilizing men to get involved with campaigns to do with gender equality, domestic violence, and helping to change perceptions and create healthier relations between people, men and women and men, so as to reduce the level of violence in the society in general.
The program, which provided homes for 50 individuals in 2024, also facilitated mentorship, awareness campaigns, and support initiatives aimed at empowering men. Minister Teixeira said the 2025 budget will allow MOM to expand these efforts, reaching more communities with housing assistance, education, and motivational engagements.
The 2025 program is focusing again on the objectives of community engagement, mentorship programs, awareness programs, support programs. This is for support programs for men, focusing on emotional well-being as well as health.
In addition to MOM, the overall budget for the Office of the President plans to support various other national initiatives. Reporting of Headline News Update, Malcolm Carter.